Hey, what is going on, everybody? It's your boy, it's Josh, the affiliate influencer, talking about business, books, and tech. And today we're going to talk about some ClickFunnels if you didn't figure that out in the title. But before we get started, I want to thank you for stopping by the channel. Go ahead, smash that like button. And also, what I also really appreciate you doing is going ahead and subscribe and knock that notification bell, because that's what we do. Is we knock that notification bell and we subscribe, because that way you can get notified every time I post a new video just like this one about business, books, or tech. And today, again, well, without wasting too much more time, I'm going to go ahead and jump into this ClickFunnels review. So, this is the ClickFunnels website. So what is a funnel, you may ask? Well, guess what? That's going to be gone over here, right down in the next section. So what is a funnel? And yes, it's online. It's a website. Essentially, ClickFunnels is an online version of the sales process in person. So ClickFunnels is a website and a sales funnel for entrepreneurs, business owners, that of the like. You go through your landing page, you get added to your email list so you can have forever. You go to your sales page, you build value, you collect some money. The second money is always easiest to get, so you get an upsell, and then you deliver whatever it is that you are selling on your website. Really cool thing about ClickFunnels is you get to guide them step by step through this process. You don't have to worry about throwing everything all on one page or confusing menus and things like that. You get to point your customers right to one product. Then you get to follow up with your visitors after they leave your page, whether it be for a different offer or whatever it is you may have, coupons or whatever it is you're selling. So that essentially is what a ClickFunnels is a online selling machine that helps you get customers while you sleep, and people added to your email list while you sleep and all that fun stuff. So awesome, because yes, it is, just as it says right here, a simple drag and drop web page editor. It is super easy. You don't have to sit there and try and learn code. You don't have to try and figure out new languages and things like that. It kind of just works. Yeah, it really does work. And one thing that really helps is the Funnel Hackers Cookbook. I'll go ahead and throw in the link in the description below as well. You get to build your funnel super quick, knock it out actually really quick. Again, just as it says, email and Facebook marketing, automation, everything, it's all right there where you need it. And it helps you generate leads for your business or sell your products for your business, so you can continue that. You have follow-ups. Yes, there is a 14-day free trial. Again, I'll throw that link in the description below for you so you can get to that 14-day free trial. And so if you're really not sure who it's for, guess what? It's for just about everybody, if not everybody, who wants to do something on the internet. There's somebody out there who makes money selling tours and trips to go hunt Bigfoot. Yes, that is right. They go hunt Bigfoot. So if you're an agency or a freelancer, you have information products you want to get out there, build a funnel, get your leads so you can keep drawing it back, or you have customers that you can keep going back to, or you can build funnels for other people. If you're an agency, you can build funnel for other companies. And guess what? They got to keep paying you unless they get ClickFunnels and they do it themselves. But if they're paying you to do it, chances are they don't want to do it themselves. If you have an e-commerce store, you can sell, kind of like get kind of that free plus shipping thing. You get an email contact, and then you can go ahead and that way keep giving them coupons or whatever it is, build value to your sales page or drive them right to your page. But then again, you have that contact to keep driving them back to that page. If you have consulting or coaching, if you're a network marketer, you can build your team with this, or you can sell a product or give them some value and then send them right to that website. If you're a local or small business, whatever it is, business to business, affiliate or blogging, this is where I'm at right now. I'm an affiliate, again, like I said, affiliate influencer. So I'm an affiliate for ClickFunnels because they have one of the best, if not the best, affiliate programs out there. They pay 40% commissions. I might put some more details in the description below. And yeah, so affiliate marketer, you give some value and you talk about the stuff you want to promote, kind of like me here on YouTube talking about affiliate marketing and reviewing ClickFunnels and being an affiliate. If someone clicks on it and buys ClickFunnels, I get to share in some of the profit. If you're a nonprofit, you can provide value. Now it does work a little differently, but you can still do a funnel, or if you're just getting started, just click this button and they'll take you to step 2. You'll run through a little quiz and they'll guide you in the right direction. The caveat to that is if you really don't know where to go and you really want someone to, coaches and stuff, to walk you by the hand, I highly recommend the affiliate bootcamp. Again, description, link in the description, or One Funnel Away challenge. Again, link in the description to both of those. I'll let you know. I highly recommend going through those because those will lead you in the right direction of which one. So if you're wanting to be an affiliate, I'd go affiliate bootcamp into One Funnel Away challenge, or I would if you're not doing an affiliate area, going down the affiliate path, and you're wanting to do something different, I would still highly encourage you to go through the One Funnel Away challenge. It will give you a really solid foundation. Also, join the Facebook group. I have a Facebook group. I'll put the link in the description below. All these links are going to be in the description, so you can join the Facebook group. Just go ahead and answer a few questions, and I will get you in there. And just building a community of affiliate marketers and entrepreneurs who want to build a location-free lifestyle. So you can go through, you can watch this demo of ClickFunnels. Russell here will kind of run you through the process of ClickFunnels and what it's about and how to do it in greater detail than I did. Again, I've been using it for a while for my affiliate business, and it is absolutely awesome. I also have an affiliate freedom funnel. I'll leave, again, link in the description. So yeah, you can go through. There's no contracts, so it's kind of pay as you go. You don't have to install anything. They have it all there for you. And I promise you, you're not going to break the internet. And if you don't like it, you can always just cancel whenever you want. I really believe that you will really enjoy it. I think it'll make a difference in any business that you have. It is definitely one of the better softwares that I have used so far, and I highly recommend getting on board with ClickFunnels and using it for your business and doing the One Funnel Away challenge to help escalate your business and take your business to the next level. So yeah, that is my review of ClickFunnels here halfway through 2019. I have made some money as an affiliate because of ClickFunnels and using the software and all that other fun stuff. So yeah, go ahead, smash that like button, subscribe, knock the notification bell so you can get notified. Thank you so much for stopping by this channel. I really appreciate it. And yeah, until next time, peace.